Denmark has come up with a natural solution to a global issue: how to provide clean water. Aquaporin is purifying water using new biotechnology that's more cost and energy efficient. Now, in tonight's Make, Create, Innovate, Nick Glass goes to Copenhagen to find out more.
There's not really anything you can do on Earth without using water one way or the other. It's essential for human life. It's essential for all industries.
According to estimates, only 3% of the water on Earth is drinkable. To increase that tiny percentage, we'll have to desalinate more seawater or clean dirty water. A small company in Denmark thinks it has found a natural solution.
All living organisms possess aquaporin channels. These are very, very important in nature.
The only thing that goes in and out through these aquaporin water channels is H2O.
For example, if you take your kidneys, they recirculate about 180 liters per water per day, and that is taken care of by a large part of these aquaporin proteins.
They decide what gets through?
Yes, they sort of constitute the passport control, immigration.
The current process for industrially cleaning water requires a staggering amount of energy, forcing water through filters at high pressure. Peter Holm Jensen and Klaus Helix Nielsen claim they can save up to 30% of energy costs using the alternative of aquaporin technology. Can I actually see an aquaporin membrane?
Yes, you can, and actually I have an example here. So you can see this is a very thin sheet here where aquaporin is actually a coating on top of this membrane. So what you see in this experiment is wastewater on one side and a sugar solution on the other side. Now, the sugar solution has a natural tendency to suck out water due to a process that we in science call osmosis. And you can actually see here how it actually flows across the membrane on this side, and then it flows on the other side from the other solution. We do not apply any pressure here. It's a natural process that we're supporting in this setup.
For today's experiment, they assured me this had been filter coffee.
I'm risking it here. It was that dirty before.
It was that dirty before, now it's clean, yes.
But that's nice, actually.
So this is how it is in the lab. Tiny membrane, tiny filter, small volumes of water. But can they scale all this up? Well, the process has already begun. This machine has been adapted to coat a long white membrane with aquaporins. It's some 200 meters long, so you can well imagine the volume of water it'll be able to filter.
Instead of extracting 1 liter of water in the lab, we here extract up to 1,000 liters in the lab from one tank to another tank using actually only quite small membrane areas of the aquaporin inside membrane.
The implications are extraordinary. Huge bodies of dirty water could be purified for agriculture and industry.
And if we quote JFK, he said that if you can find a cheap way to desalinate seawater into clean drinking water, that would really dwarf any other scientific accomplishment.
How far off is that?
It's still some years ahead, but I think we have made some very large steps towards bringing a sustainable future in water.